If we are to describe the encounter of Jesus and Bartholomew or Nathanael, this apostle cannot play hide and seek with Jesus. Hindi niya makuhang makipagtaguan kay Jesus. And we might sense that Bartholomew wants to work or wants to stay on the limelight para hindi siya makita o para hindi siya mahalata. But we are grateful for that fig tree where Jesus saw him. Sa akala niyang makakatago na siya o hindi siya makikita ni Jesus, indeed with the Lord, we cannot play hide and seek. It will always be an encounter or the experience of an apostle or someone called by God as a priest, as a religious, wherever or who we are. We would always say to ourselves that I am unworthy, I am a sinner, I am incapacitated, I am nothing, I am insignificant. Things that will make ourselves or would draw us to hide ourselves para makatakas o makatago tayo sa Panginoon. But the Lord will continue to take notice of us even if we keep on hiding and hiding. Jesus will look after us even if we play hide and seek. A month ago, if you wish to remember a homily of Father Kali, he said, with the calling of the apostles, God knows exactly where to find us. Tinatago man natin ang ating sarili, hindi na tayo nagpapapansin, pero makikita at makikita pa din tayo ni Jesus. Pilit man tayong nagtatago, pero patuloy din tayong tututukan at tatawagin ng Diyos. If we are having alibis or second thoughts as we follow Jesus that seems to hide ourselves away from Jesus, to just stand on that or under that fig tree, do not worry. We cannot escape the eyes of Jesus. Ano mang tago po natin, nakikita pa din tayo ng Diyos. Tatawagin tayo ng Diyos para maging parte ng kanyang kwento. God calls us from the fig tree. Hindi tayo makakalampas sa tingin ni Jesus dahil sa anumang pagtago natin o pagtatago natin, siya namang patuloy na pagtingin ni Jesus sa atin.